Hi everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan sushi with shiitake mushroom. Alright, let's get started. Okay, to make a shiitake mushroom, this is a dry shiitake mushroom. I already soak it in the water for about 3 hours to rehydrate, and as you can see, I separate already. Okay, this is the rehydrated water, and don't throw it away because this the means flavor. So don't throw away. We will cook it down with this water. Before we cook down our shiitake mushroom, the first need to prepare is just like you see the mushroom always have a center, the stump. This is quite tough, so we just remove that because it's not good tasting. So all we need just remove that. All right, then like this. Okay, and okay, there's it. Then rest of them are done. Then get yourself a pot. Okay, nice cook pot, and then just get yourself a little drain because you see the water when we rehydrate the shiitake mushroom, there's a little bit like a sandy inside, so you don't want that. So just draining in. So this time I will only put just about a cup. Okay, that's about a cup, and I have here is about 12 medium size shiitake mushroom. Okay, then here we start the seasoning. This is the soy sauce. Okay, here we just use about a quarter cup. Okay, that's about enough. And this is the mirin. Okay, let's go in. Also about a quarter cup. It's about the equal size of the soy sauce. And next, we can bring our sugar in. And the sugar, what I have here, just about 2/3 tablespoon. Okay. Then we can ready bring our heat up. As you can see, just make sure all your liquid can cover your mushroom. Then that is fine. Right. Then we bring up to boil, and let it cook down to reduce liquid to about 1/3 in this amount, and also the liquid will become like almost like a sauce. So also can use that after we making the sushi. So let's cook it down. All right, as you can see, it started boiling. Okay. So far I keep in high heat. All right, until as you can see, it started getting fully bubbling. Okay, like that. Okay, and this, you see that this foam you don't need to take it out because it's not something like we make a stock. It's not nothing you can't eat able. This one is created just like sugaring, so you don't need to take it out. All right, and as you can see, it started bubbling up. Then you can turn to the medium fire. All right, and that's fine. Okay, then let it keep boiling and then reduce the liquid. Okay, it's I would like to say take about 5 minutes. All right, now it's about 5 minutes already, and you can see, okay, all the liquid is already reduced. Okay, it's almost coming like a sauce already. Okay, and this stage we are done. Okay, heat off. Okay, cool. Let me show you how beautiful this shiitake mushroom is. All right, pick up one, maybe get the plate, you can see more clearly. Okay, look, beautiful, cooked down, nice shiitake mushroom. Beautiful color and very nice fragrance. I tell you, it's so nice. Yeah, and last night I saw the comment in one of my video. say I'm like a real life Uncle Roger. Okay, this is quite interesting. Okay, I'm not sure my brother Uncle Roger or how he think about this shiitake mushroom. Give me a comment, Uncle Roger. All right, sure. Okay, let's go. And then next stage, that's this cooling down. Okay, and ready to serve with the sushi. All right, I let my mushroom to cooling down already. Now it's ready to making the sushi. Today I'm gonna show you two ways to making with this with the mushroom. Okay, first you can just choose the pieces like this. Okay, this is more thinner and this one is more thicker. So the thinnest one is good to making the nigiri sushi. So before making nigiri, we just use our knife, cut down like a couple line, like this, as you can see. Okay, or you can also close the line if you like. It's just help the mushroom when we're making nigiri easy to bend. All right, like this. And this is quite thick, so it's not easy to bend. So this I will just slice down. Okay. And this I also can just slice. Also, sorry, I forget this. I gotta cut it in chop it into smaller. Okay, like that. In this small piece, I will show you to make the sushi. In Japanese, called kunken sushi. The kunken means like a warship. So sushi will be use the nori seaweed, become like look like a warship in imagination. Okay, now let's start making the sushi. Okay, I have the sushi rice ready. If you want to know how to make a sushi rice, you can check my other video how to making sushi rice. Okay, now let me show you first making the nigiri sushi. Don't forget, every single time you go into working with your sushi rice, just make your hand a little bit wet, otherwise you will stick it everywhere. So like this. Okay, then just grab one small bowl of the sushi rice, then start rolling into the like oval shape. Okay, then grab one piece which we already sliced, then place in the middle. Okay, turning down. Then importantly on the side you see the beautiful bending like that. So all we need to do, just make a nice shape like that. Okay, again make it a plate. Okay, then let me show you what I mean kunken sushi. Okay, same thing, just grab one like a nigiri size of the roll sushi, make it nice shape like that. Okay, then get a piece nori, just cutting down a longer stripe like that. Then let me use this way, you can see properly. Okay, just that rolling all over the edge like that. Okay, and at the end just grab a tiny piece rice. Okay, then squeeze down, use as the glue, then you can stick on. Then its top is almost like a little pocket. Okay, can do just gentle, nice shape. Okay, then you can use the spoon, then grab these with finely chopped pieces inside. Okay, then this is the mushroom kunken. Okay, sushi, we put it on the side, and I'm gonna show you one more. Okay, a little thick. Okay, as I say, this one is quite thick, so it's good below two presentation like a shape, mushroom shape. So all we need to do, just grab 2 or 3 pieces together like that. Then same thing. Okay, get a little bowl, like a nigiri. Okay, like a nigiri size sushi. Okay, same thing, like that. Okay. Then all you need, just grab this and put it on the top. It won't holding like that properly, so just get yourself cutting a nori seaweed like this tiny long stripe. Then we just use as like a belt holding on the top. Okay, then this also look another shape of the nigiri. So then we already got the 3 different shape of the shiitake mushrooms. Okay, then it should be ready to serve. But before we serve, don't forget we have the liquid which we cook down from the shiitake mushroom. So this one is also good as used as the sauce. So before we serve, you can just a little touch on the top, a little bit. Or you would like to make a nice presentation, just give it a few drops on your table. Just make a nice. Beautiful. And final garnish with a little bit roasted sesame seed, what I have here. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, that is so simple, easy. How to make a vegan sushi with the shiitake mushroom. Nice, simple, delicious. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.